Determining where the target customer resides using Esri's Business Analyst. Within the map section of Business Analyst, a user can go into a market and determine where the highest concentration of a given variable resides. In this case, we're going to create a map where we're looking for a specific variable. The variable in question can be created using the Create Custom Variable option. Here, we want to find all of the residents over the age of 58. We're going to save that as our variable of choosing. And as you can see, we can see the county data for all of these residents. Now, there's a number of different ways that we can visualize this. Currently, we're looking at county data, and we can filter it accordingly. If we want to know all the places where there's over 5,000 seniors over the age of 58, we can do so. We can also go in and view this data not only by standard geography or county, congressional district, or states, we can also view this using the hexagons. A lot of our users really like the hexagons because that takes the geographical differences out of the equation and allows us to simply view contiguous and consistent geographies across the board.